Hi everyone, Blake Jones here, and in this episode of How Do You Do That, I'm going to show you how to do a Chroma Key in Resolve 17 directly on the edit page. So what we do here is we've got our background. I'm going to put that in there first, and then we have our Chroma Key material, and let's just shorten that up to match it. So now what I want to do is, if I come to this particular clip now, as you can see, we've got our Chroma Key green area here. Select it, and then we come down to our tool set. And as you can see under Resolve FX Key, we now have a 3D keyer. So we can just take that and drag that into here. And now if I come over to Effects, as you can see here, there's my OpenFX 3D keyer. And then all I have to do here is just hold down the left mouse button and click inside the green area. And as you can see, I just highlight like so. Now I've actually taken the picture of the planet and put it in the green screen area. Now I've got a little bit of spill there, so I can use the despill function there, and that will fix it for me. And then if I don't want to see my path that I did, I can turn that off, and there we have it. So simple, so easy to do. So for more tips and tricks, have a look at my other videos about working with Resolve 17, and also have a look in the comments below for more information about training services, and also have a look at my Patreon channel. So if you want to fund this channel, and then there's all sorts of great perks when you fund it, and look forward to seeing you soon. Thanks.